Your bike is jumping everywhere. It's leaking oil badly over there. Oh, it's completely loose. Full place again, and it's 9:30 Saturday, 16th of September, guys. And I still have 61 kilometers left of this stat. Actually, this is stat part number 1. I gotta go to conquer the rest of the stat with expectation it's not gonna rain. And I don't know, should I say sorry for uploading such a long video yesterday, but I mean, so much happened, so much fun was in the trails. It was so hard for me, and I was like, I had so much material, and believe me, you just saw like maybe 5 to 10% out of it. Maybe 10. Okay, now we're going up here. Alright, that's fun begin. It looks like this section not gonna let me rest. Well, when did it come to rest? Oh, here, but I wish I could go to France ASAP. Yep, we have Stone Road again. Not too bad though, not too bad. See? Or even four-wheel SUVs hardly going here. Oh, it's better don't stop, away, because if you stop, then you're in trouble to start. Yeah, stony roads, stony roads. You don't see that, but it's again. Oh, shoot. And I'm already tired, and the day just started. I need to go there. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I know I have to stand up, I can't. I can't stand up, guys. Oh, it's so steep. Okay, first gear. No. Okay, guys, I have to rest. Can feel my hands, and I did like only 10 kilometers. I don't know, can you see it? How high I'm on the mountains I am. But now, okay, this is the road. Yeah. All right, you wanna see what kind of rocks it is? Looks very small. Okay, I'll take looking small one. See, that's how small it is. All of them I can pick up, you know. All of them like this, you know. Not going for the big ones, which ones are like this. And it's over here. And you know, like, for a lot of you it's a joke, because you've done a million times. For me, I'm going in there, it's no problem. But now, because it's everything so wet, it's slippery and sometimes muddy. Oh, and it's like, you see what, it's like, it's steep, like this steep. And you know, like you're trying to stand on your bike, but you're still leaning backwards. See, like the mud I'm picking up and everything. You sliding, you everything. And I did out of 61 10 kilometers now. Yeah, but like I said, I'm gonna try not to make such a long videos, because who will watch that, like, 40 minutes videos? Nobody. People have more to do in their lives than watch my videos, unless, like having a little drink, beer or wine, sitting in the evening and see what the heck this crazy Nemo doing, like tonight. Not tonight, today, so we'll checking tonight. This is section number 1. I was thinking, am I gonna do number 2? But no, I'm not gonna do number 2, because I will never get to France. Very beautiful forest over here, very beautiful. But the road is not freaking easy. Here I will go up now, in the air, in the mountains. How high it will be? It will be some. Okay. We're not going down yet. We're going up. And I hope not that one. Because look at this. That one I'm not going. That one in the right, I'm definitely not going. Leave that for crazy ones. Oh shit, no! Strada Chiusa. That means the road is closed. Even I know that I'm not supposed to do that. But what can I do now? It's probably I'm gonna cry about it later, because I'm gonna need to turn around. Sometimes you go like this and it's closed for the car wouldn't be able to pass, but motorcycle could. So we'll see. Wait for my next turn of the camera. I will ask this guy, is it passable? Buongiorno, good morning. Is it the road passable over there?
Yes, there is a gate but you can pass through.
Okay, because half kilometer is the same.
Okay.
Yeah, so
same down there.
Okay, so it's no problem, yeah?
Easy.
Thank you so much. Okay, take care. Sometimes gotta stop for a moment to enjoy the view. Okay, we found the machinery for fixing the road. This one's definitely not helping. And guys, I'm riding alone, so I have to be careful. I crash too hard, you've seen that already in Hungary. If I crash too hard, or some unlucky crash, then who will save me? Oh, they're holding the dog from eating me. That's good. Excavator. But the guy said there's a gap I can go through. But yeah. My bag back. have to go here. Do I need to say that it's very stony? What a view, guys. What a view. You enjoy, but I enjoy my my track. Because I cannot lift my eyes too high. Now I can. Wow. Crazy. Why am I getting this again and again? Another one. Yeah, I think not a good idea to go through the signs like this, because this one looks really like put it over here permanent. See? Even this is open. I don't understand. This one is open, but the sign is very legit. So I think I should obey this one. That's not a bad cut. I can cut over there via dirt roads. So cut one loop, be back on the track. And you know what? It's very hot with the armor. This armor, which one I chose for my travel, I don't think it's the best. It's too close to your body, and just you can this, like, you know, your body cannot breathe at all. You just get all sweaty underneath and just driving completely wet always. Even right now, I guess like maybe 20, maybe 18. This is okay if you like have 15 degrees, something like that. But or if you're not going off-road, then it's okay. But going off-road, you just all wet. But this is an older version, Lead 3DF EarFit. It's now they have the newer version. That's how we leave. And we cut about 15 kilometers out of that road and joining it back. Right there on the top. Oh, we just go there. Because I had an option go to France now. Because looks like this road is not gonna go anywhere. Well, but I have 24 kilometers left of this section, so why don't just I do it and see what it's gonna bring us. 3 kilometers. Okay. Okay, it's closed from 8 till 6 in the morning. That's good. It's open though. And from 15th of October is closed. So we good now. So looks like we're gonna have 15 kilometers, 14.2 of this gravel road going up. Oh, no way, I can turn off the camera though. Oh, look at this. Seen that before, huh? Shoot. You can get stoned over here. But if I will have to go 14 kilometers this way, it will be fun. People looking at me and what the fuck am I doing here? And a lot of cows over here. And stones and That's gonna be something to go up in this road. I mean down. Unless I'm gonna take the section number 2. And that's gonna bring me different route probably. Because I think in the top, the section 2 and section 1 connects. And then you know what, I make long video. Oh, big dog. I don't want to have encounter with the big dogs. And then I make long videos later. Ooh, this dog is behind me and barking. No. Doggy, stay at your place. Oh my god. Can you see that? The dog adds some speed for me. My god, but this is off-road. The dog is still behind me. I hear him barking. Galleria di Grezzo. And we're gonna go into that tunnel. No dog chasing us. Let's go. What we have over here. What we have over here. Coming with you. Oh wow. Oh my god. Really? Wind. Guys. Beautiful! One more time, huh? What a views. What a views. It will be something else. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh. Yeah. Very high. Oh, that smells like lots of cows. Is it good? I don't know, but one thing for sure, they might have a dog for taking care of all the cows. And you know what? Oh my god, it's beating me up so bad. You know what? Somebody had to bring that camper over here. I'm still amazed how come this camper not in the parts, unless they brought it in the parts and then put it over here together. What a spot to be, guys. What a spot to be. Oh, I know one guy in Norway. Now, Jakubai, wanna come here? And you're gonna grow up, huh? Linkėjimai ir nepamiršk, kur dėdė buvo. YouTuber. You know, I'm just sitting over there and I don't want to go anywhere because this wall over here, huge, and the road is really tough. So I'm just standing here and it's so fun to be here. But I'm gonna go because I guarantee this road gonna bring me to some awesome places, so I gotta go and check them out. Žilvinai, mes va čia ir kalbėjom prieš minutę. Yeah, we spoke with my friend on a video chat a minute ago. Just trying to show him where we are, where I'm at. Oh, stony. Oh, they're having fun. If I would have been a king of Norway, when I started my journey in Norway, and somebody would have said that I would have been riding these roads, and I would have been capable to ride these roads, I guarantee you would have been taken to the jokers in my kingdom. I guarantee. Is that a famous Galleria, which one has a turn in the middle? Yep, that's what it is. Oh, it's slippery. It's slippery inside. Oh, my lights are going too high. Way too high. I already passed. Okay, so we arrived. This is the beginning of section 1, or the finish, depends which one side you're gonna start from. Since we came from there, I was thinking, where should I go? This way up, or this way up? And looks like we're gonna go this way up, because we are just on the border with France, and when we go there, I'm gonna go down to gas station, I guess. I hope so. Like, look at this. Okay, so, and you know, like, it's all like this, like that, over there up, and like, okay, you know what? I'm not taking the biggest one, okay? Not the biggest one, you see? Not the biggest. I take this. You see? I take bigger one. You see? And I take even bigger one. Like this. And like this, all of them. And they are loose, so they are like sliding behind me, underneath me. I know like a lot of you guys just would change your daily life for something like this right now, you know what? Maybe I would change this one right now for your daily life as well. Oh, but it's okay, it's good. It's like, you know, I'm living a dream. I'm living a dream. Not for long anymore, but I still do. Oh, I didn't need no neutral. If that will start, then it will gonna be even harder. Nope, it's not the correct way. Okay, so I need to turn around. So we have to turn around over here. People come with four-wheelers over here, enjoy their coffee or something like that. Some Italian riders doing that, I guess, or going to that. Ooh, that was one was old Kajiva, and one guy was his Africa Twin. For that guy, it would be something, unless he's really experienced. If you experience it, everything gets much easier over here. Beautiful place, town called Le Brigue. Le Brigue? I'm not sure. But it looks really cool. Look at the mountains over there. And that's called a battery for the rest of the day. Oh, now trying to find where to go next, and it's not very easy because that of France kind of far away from me, and because I don't want to go north and then go back south, then I'm definitely not going to have enough time to do anything. So my plan right now, go somewhere and pick up like above Marcel. That's where that's kind of close above Marcel, but Google sends me down through all the way down to Monaco, Nizza, and by the shore, and there came the rain before I even leave. Well, then I don't have to stop, I can just put it right away, something on me. And my battery is dying, and I put the destination towards Marseille because like, I don't know, like 20-40 kilometers above Marseille I will join the Tête France. I have the camera on, so that's, guys, where I would say riding Tête doesn't make sense anymore. Yes, when the weather is like that. Imagine riding Tête roads, which one I was going before. That would be looking for the end of your days. Oh well, that ruined my counting because it gave me only 8.14, but probably that's why, because that much only I had on my Revolut card left. Yes, I am going backwards. Okay, guys, because of the personal circumstances, we're gonna have to finish this video right here. Well, I remember I talked a long time ago, and you said we gotta keep it real, no fake over here. So okay, I'll try to explain. You know what, you probably, everybody had in your life or still have somebody which one is like always with you, you know, you never want to be away, and you know, and you like all, you know what I mean. So that's what happened to me when I left. You know, everything was okay and everything, and you know, I'm traveling already almost 2 months. You know, and like, she tried to leave me one time. It was in Finland. You know, one time it was in Poland. She tried just to part away from me, and I managed to stop her from doing that. And you know what? Today it happened. You know, so she found somebody else, and oh well, you know, let it be. But it's kind of sucks, you know, when you are used to be together and that you're not anymore. It sucks, you know. So with that announcement, I'm gonna say rest in peace, or have a good life with whoever you found, my dear backpack. I will see you in the next, but without it. RIP.